Personal information. I'm Beancounter's site owner and creator, David W. Marshall. Born November 27, 1946. Unfortunately, if you do the calculation, I'm in my late 70s. The good news is that I've got some life experiences behind me. The bad news is, I can't dance all night. Located, Knoxville, Tennessee. My experience working for myself. I have been providing small business consulting and bookkeeping in the Knoxville area for over 40 years. I cater to small businesses that are unable to afford the luxury and cost of a full-time professional staff member or need some additional outside help. Working for others, internal auditor, 10 years, controller, 5 years, U.S. Army payroll clerk, 2 years, business college teacher, 2 years. Education, honors and references. Graduated in 1968 with honors from the University of Tennessee with a bachelor's degree in accounting. Go Vols, CPA inactive member, Alpha Kappa, Psi member, Beta, Alpha Psi. My style of presenting information. My method of passing on knowledge is to make the subject easy to understand, inject a little humor, and to use simple examples and terminology to illustrate the accounting and bookkeeping concepts being presented. If you're anything like me, I learn a lot easier when I can see an example of what we're talking about. Tell me and show me too. My learning materials. Almost all the learning materials, namely the accounting and bookkeeping courses and tutorials, videos, quizzes and tests, games, and other learning materials were created by me. The only exception is when I run across another accounting and bookkeeping site that I feel has some excellent material, I occasionally include their presentations. Social life. Enjoy doing karaoke. Of course I sing the oldies. Enjoy watching my college, the University of Tennessee sports. Not much dating, but if you know anybody available, let me know. Wild and crazy guy. Proof that I'm not your ordinary teacher. Just like the comedian Steve Martin, I'm a wild and crazy guy. I was 74 years old going skydiving and jumping out. I prayed I'd make 75. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's just dumb me. I hope you'll learn a lot from my site Beancounter about bookkeeping and accounting, and also enjoy a few laughs.